Hello, my name is Diego Vizcaíno. I'm from Colombia, currently working from Brazil. One of the main features of sound is the timbre. Timbre is the quality of a musical note or sound or tone that distinguishes different types of musical instruments. These characteristics let you recognize between an instrumental song and another one, even though they are playing the same note. For instance, is the difference between a violin and a piano renote at the same loudness. But how we can characterize the difference between sounds at the same loudness? To do this, we must to speak of several components of sound nature. First, we have a common representation sound as a wave with a single frequency, where such waveform shows the air pressure changing over time. But sound does not appear in a nature with a pure and single frequency because of the resonance. That is, a wave sound with a single frequency is not natural. Every body represents itself the ability to vibrate at different frequencies at once, depending on the material, on its form and its component. They just need someone who kicks its resting state to start vibrating. If other sound that makes it vibrate, it's not necessary to be fully in touch for that vibration. For instance, an acoustic guitar string vibrating on all guitar wood and string is not pushing and pulling the wood to force vibration. This is just by resonance. But I could also see this effect when I have a piano in a room side and a guitar in another room side. If I play the La note at the piano, I will observe that the fifth guitar string starts to vibrate. In a musical instrument itself, resonance allows to join the bass with other vibration that gives special feature the sound timbre. Body shape and size can also change the natural frequency to which can vibrate or resonate. Thus, we can see that violin is small and bass is large. Different sizes are relatively to produce easier low or high notes. So, large instruments as a bass produce easier low notes and small instruments as a violin vibrate easier with high notes. You can observe, for example, a big band. The metal section has different sizes of saxophones, trumpets, flutes, etc. And each one is relatively to produce different frequency range. Some musicians usually vary their instruments to vary its timbre, such as a changing wood part for metal parts of their accordion, just for obtain a more metallic sound, modifying its timbre. A classical guitarist clearly knows how to sound out the string of where is the best point for push in order to produce frequencies from passive to metallic sounds. In electrical guitar, The position microphones to the difference. Each one of them detects a different timbre because of the position they are, and the combination of them gives different timbres, frequencies that add to its base frequency. These frequencies are multiples of the base frequency and are called harmonics. Then, the combination um, the combination of these harmonics into one sound results in a special sound with a characteristical timbre for the instrument which produces the sound. An instrument may have harmonics that another one doesn't have. I will present an example for a violin. In a violin, the note C is 500 Hz and produces harmonics of 1000 Hz and 1500 Hz and 2000 Hz, such as colored respectively as a first, second, and third harmonic. Adding graphs of each of these frequencies, we obtain the following result. I hope this word about timbre help you to better understand ideas for take decisions in our recordings. Obrigado.